what is the plan for today?
Plan for today is you've got your physio at 2:30, so we've not filmed anything so far yet this morning. We just used this morning as a bit of a relaxing morning.
Played some Xbox.
Yeah.
You edited a bit of video.
Yes, I did. Yeah, so that's scheduled to upload Saturday at 6 p.m. That's going to be roughly our schedule upload time. It will be either a Saturday at about 6 or Sunday at about 6, depending on what working week I'm doing. It will depend on what day it's probably uploaded on. Physio, and then we're going to pop to Tesco, and we also want to pop to Marks and Spencer.
I want to go to Tesco to see about some sore throats. Sweets.
Yes. I want to go Marks and Spencer's because I want to see if they've got the Christmas stuff in, because they've got a gingerbread gingerbread milkshake.
Yeah, milkshake, isn't it?
Yeah. I just want to see what Christmassy bits they have, because Marks and Spencer's do like really nice Christmas bits. Not going to lie, a little bit out of our price range, but...
Yeah, possibly. Actually, we've got some good stuff that's going to be coming up, haven't we? Because at the end of the day, we've got an IKEA trip that's got to happen.
Oh, God.
Haven't we?
Yeah.
That's going to be a good one. Hopefully this weekend, depending on how physio goes. My ankle's feeling a lot better, but I kind of want some professional advice to see what they actually say. But
yeah,
the plan is to go to the fireworks on Sunday.
Yes.
But it all depends on what they say. I mean, I actually feel quite comfortable driving, a hell of a lot more than I did last week, so
yeah,
that's good. But we've got IKEA trip that's going to be happening soon. Hopefully we've got the fireworks. We've got a house journey so far video. We're going to do a part 1 and a part 2, haven't we?
I think we're going to try and attempt to order some American sweets to try. If you have got any video suggestions, or there is anything, like if you're friends and family and there's anything you want to see, please comment or just drop us a message and let us know.
Obviously, just bear with us, because obviously the journey's going to 100% fully start when we move out. However, we just wanted to get started really, and this is the lead up, isn't it? This is the journey.
Yeah.
And to be fair, the boys have been supportive because they want more, don't they?
I was about to say, the one thing that we were a little bit not so much with my friends, because I knew my friends would be really supportive, and not the fact that yours wouldn't be, but because obviously we just didn't think that they would get it, kind of thing. But they've been, we couldn't thank them enough, to be honest. His friends have been amazing, they've been really supportive, they've liked and subscribed, and they're like asking when our next uploads are and what we're doing. They've been amazing, so yeah, thanks to, well, all of them really.
Yeah,
but
every single one of them.
Yeah.
Been great. So.
Yeah, they've been lovely.
That's for the next couple of weeks. Obviously, we're going to do, we'll do a house tour of before we moved in, of like the bare shell. That's going to be quite exciting, because in the bare shell video we're going to be able to locate of what we want in certain areas, which obviously that might change, mightn't it, darling? So
one thing that you didn't know about me is that when the weather temperature drops and it starts to go a bit cooler, my nose runs like no tomorrow. So if you see me or hear me go a lot, or I'm blowing my nose, I'm not ill. I'm never ill. In the summer it's hay fever, so we're constantly blowing our nose in the summer, and then in the winter our nose is running. So
yeah, literally, don't know what to expect.
I think they'll get you doing exercises.
Possibly.
That was Miss Sick May Carla.
That's not going to be the pinpoint of our channel.
It's
just
food.
It's just eating, because at the moment
That's all we're doing.
that's all we're doing. If a mukbang is where the content's at, then a mukbang is where the content's at.
And it's an excuse for us to eat.
So I've got an idea to get the lads involved for an evening one.
I was about to say, but that will probably, so there's one video that you want to do with them that can be now, but I think we want to try and get them involved when we're in the house. And like, we are on a PG channel as such. Obviously we do watch what we say in terms of like our swearing and that, but there will be, if alcohol isn't your thing, there might be some videos surrounded like sort of challenges, so like say it or shot it, or Mr. and Mrs, so whoever gets the question wrong has to take a shot. And then we'll probably do some videos with your friends, like they ask us questions, or something like that, and the forfeit will probably be a shot. So if it is something that you're not skip them videos kind of thing. I'm not a drinker personally, I don't drink, and 2 shots will get me drunk, so
how many sort of weeks are we looking at now till we... I tell you what, it's exciting though, isn't it? Because obviously you've got Jacko that's already in, you've got Conrad that's already in,
Phil,
you've got Phil, the keys
like last week, and their houses,
you got
not all of their houses are beautiful, but I hope they won't mind me saying they've purchased a new build with the developer that we've gone with.
Yeah, you've...
and it's stunning.
Linko's in the process. Well, no, Linko's in. Or he's doing the renovation. So it's exciting, man. How long are we looking at? 5 weeks, 6 weeks possibly?
But they said December, so now that we're currently on the 4th of November, we're probably looking, if we're going off what they said, about 5 weeks. But if it's delayed, which we think it's going to be, anywhere between 5 and possibly 10 weeks. But we're going shorter end of the scale, so it's probably 5 or 6 weeks-ish. That was a half-hearted cough. I was like, started and then... So I got these out my car for you if you wanted to try.
Oh, I wondered. Yeah, please.
You're not having loads, because I need some for my car. I'm hungry, so I might get something from Marks and Sparks or Tesco.
Okay.
I keep forgetting today's Friday. In my head I thought it was Saturday. You've got us for 3 days this weekend. How lovely. Well, tomorrow we're filming a separate video from out of the vlog, which you'll see. I think that will be a double upload.
Which is going to be very interesting for a lot of people, because it's going to relate to a lot of people, and it's going to give people a bit more understanding, because we went through the works with the house, haven't we? So.
Yeah. So that will be another video, and then we'll vlog as well. So if we go to the fireworks, that will be the main point of this video.
It's 20 past already, so it's
good timing from my behalf. This morning he said be ready for 1:30, so I'm there sat watching TikTok on my iPad at 1:30 ready. He's on his Xbox, which wasn't a problem.
It's popping off.
He was popping and locking. Let's do the little Tesco haul first. Dad's birthday card, can't show you because he'll watch. I got Lipton peach iced tea, and they got the Christmas sandwiches out, which we were very happy about. I got brie and cranberry, very excited about that. And then got the all-time best chocolate bar ever, which Ashley will agree. Kinder Bueno.
I was gonna get that, but you got one, so no. Let's start with a drink. Come on now.
Play the game.
Powers.
Powers.
And then now, if you don't know, get to know. The best crisps.
Agreed.
Thai Swilly Sensei. Thai sweet chili sensations. Amazing crisps. If you're ranking them, they're up there. They're at the top. Now. I have switched up the game, because I would normally get a wrap.
This is brave for Ash.
I'd normally get the Southern Fried Chicken wrap, and I've gone for, because Lil's gone for the festive
vibes.
I've gone for the festive one, and it's turkey trimmings.
So we're going to try each other's and see. Hope you don't mind.
Hope so.
So, I know straight away I'm going to like this, because Costa do a brie and cranberry sandwich, and it's so nice. And I thought, you know what? Getting the Christmas vibes, it's turned November, why not? Get your Christmas tree up, kids. Oh my god. Tell you what, this would be nice warmed up. Oh, do you want a bite?
Not bad.
What's your rating?
I'd have it again.
You know what makes yours? Stuffing.
Yours has got a bit more sauce on. And I'd like a bit more sauce on mine. They said that I can drive if I feel comfortable, which I've drove anyway.
Yeah.
But when I walk without crutches, I've got a bit of a limp because my foot and my ankle just isn't quite strong enough yet, but she said that I could come down to 1 crutch. She says if I feel comfortable enough, we can go to the fireworks as well, so...
We've booked that?
Yeah, that's already booked, isn't it?
40 quid. 40 quid to go see fireworks, and that's not even paying for the food that we'll pay for when we're there. It's going to be easily £70 a day to go see fireworks. But she did say the limp that you've got at the moment isn't a permanent thing. It's only because it's confidence and the strength in his actual leg.
The swelling, because my ankle is still really swollen.
So it's not permanent. He just needs to strengthen it.
Yeah, so I've been given bands to do some strengthening on my ankle. They
smell like, and I'll tell you this and you'll know the smell straight away. You're in the swimming pool and it's that rubbery kind of swimming pool smell. Oh, like shower cap and like bouncy ball smell.
Like kids piss.
Can I have a sip of your drink, please? So this one is the Ultra Gold, 0 sugar for your healthy ones. Oh my god, that's pineapple, isn't it? Oh my god. My mum would love that. Do you still want to go to Marks and Sparks?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Why?
Still going Marks and Sparks. I wasn't sure, but I'm glad she said so because I want to have a look.
In Marks and Spencer's, they do a white chocolate milkshake. I'm not going to get it. I don't know if you're going to get it, but I'm not going to get it.
So the list from Marks and Spencer's that we want to get a ginger and an immune shot each.
Each? You're having one as well?
Fair enough. I want to see if they've got the gingerbread milkshake, and I also want to see if they've got the white chocolate milkshake.
Outrageous these crisps are, honestly.
You're such a fast eater.
Well, I normally get food stuck.
This was our Tesco meal deal mukbang.
Yeah.
Rate our meal deals. Because obviously the sandwiches we know are controversial. We only got them because we wanted to try them.
Well, hang on a minute. I agree, they're controversial, but a lot of people like a Christmas dinner, don't they? And I've had a Christmas dinner sandwich. So, and you've had a Christmas dinner starter, so our meal deal might be pretty good there actually. Give it a rate though, out of 10, 10 being the best. Class.
Class but no ass.
Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s, Rolexes got more than one, shorter one. You can't short me one, in the car the shortest one. Lighty, the shortest one, on my mind, Georgia one. Crocodile.
Yeah, a test. Imagine if I dropped me chocolate.
I'd be so upset for you, not gonna lie. Right then. So we're gonna head to Marks and Sparks and let's hopefully see if we can get the bits on our list. You'll find out. Like we both put Carmex Vaseline. I have a Nivea one at the moment. All the time.
Yesterday I ordered 6 of these off Amazon.
Because he loves them that much. Carmex's, one is the normal and then the other one is our favourite one, which is the peach and mango. This is the best one. Gonna chewing gum?
No, Tom, I'm still drinking the drink.
The traffic's going to be bad at this time. It's currently 4 minutes past 4, which means people are leaving school and work. In my opinion, one of the best songs ever, this is. It's just a classic. Me and my sister, Harry, that you're watching, and We have debates over this.
No. Hold on. Right. Apparently, examples part in this is amazing, mate. Fucking no check.
I love examples part in this.
Oh, that was on his Monday morning. Shocking. So bad. Don't get me wrong. He's done some good songs.
The change in song malarkey.
Hey. Whoa.
Okay.
Of course, we've hit the inevitable traffic.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of it. 4:26 on Friday evening. What's the date today, babe?
4th of November. Bonfire night tomorrow, 5th of November.
Damn, I feel seasick. The wave too strong. No escape on easy. She making a set for me. She gone freaking gone. Get the deja vu. Yeah, again I can't feel my.
I just love drum and bass. There's a lot of people there as well. Oh god.
Oh.
Well, it's not zebra crossing, so almost hit a lady.
No. She almost walked out.
Yeah, correct English. That wasn't a zebra crossing there.
She
just walked out from the back of a bus.
from the back of a bus.
Which is like a massive no-no. You just would not do that. So we've arrived, or we're pulling up onto the car park for M&S food hall. So I'm very excited to see what bits they have. They've got a big Boots there now. That's exciting.
Why is it that when you pull down somewhere, the car just follows and follows?
Yeah, I know what you mean. That to me the other day, and it was like I actually thought they were following me home at one point, because I was like, do you know where I live? Because like every route, and I went like a weirder route, and it just still was following me. I was like, go away. Right then, so we're gonna pop into M&S, get some bits and bobs, and then we will show you what we get, depending on what we get, if they have everything that we need.
Something to make me feel better.
Immune shots. Right then, you'll have to excuse the lighting because it is getting dark. M&S haul didn't have the gingerbread milkshake, but they did have the white chocolate milkshake, which is just the best. You got your all classics, your Percy Pigs. He loves the Percy Pigs.
Yeah.
Right. You got your ginger immune, and I got gut health. So mine's pineapple, mango, coconut milk and turmeric. And yours is apple and ginger, isn't it?
Apple, cold pressed ginger. This says it's good for your immune. Need it, then I ain't feeling well.
And I get a lot of tummy problems, so gut health is good for me. You meant to shot it?
Oh, absolutely not.
It's fucking huge. How are you supposed to shot that? Mine's like a smoothie as well. I bet that's cleared your airways.
Yeah. What does energy 2% of your RI? What does that mean?
Recommended intake.
Wow.
Mine's just like a smoothie. I could freaking drink a big one of this. Do you want to try a bit?
Yeah, why not?
I've tried yours, so I know it just burns. His does.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, mango and coconut this is. And turmeric, which is good for a lot of things. Might I add, these aren't cheap, but they are amazing. One of these is £1.75.
£1.50.
Oh, okay. £1.50. I take it back. But it's certainly worth it.
White chocolate over dark chocolate and milk chocolate all day, every day.
I've also got, because M&S do the best Christmas food, Snowball mini bites, soft marshmallow covered in a milk chocolate and coconut. I thought for this was £3.25 I think. 18 mini marshmallows covered in milk chocolate and desiccated coconut. I don't actually like desiccated coconut, like dry, powdery. But when it's in things, like, I love a Bounty. Oh my god, they're huge! On the image, like, don't get me wrong, it's a good size, but that's actually lifelike size. I thought it was a lot smaller.
Yeah, why not? I mean...
Oh my. M&S just do it differently. Imagine a Tunnocks tea cake.
We like coconut, you see. A lot of people say, like, I like a Bounty. Now that is controversial. But fire, innit? Nice. Right, plan for this evening is for the boys.
Yeah, so Friday night is pop and lock night. Xbox night. And then we'll catch you in the morning. Heated seats on.
It's cold.
It is cold today. It's the next day. Ashley's not feeling great. He's not awful, but he's not better. So we're gonna go and get another immune shot for him. So yeah, we're gonna pop to Marks and Sparks.
I'm ill.
He's ill.
Nah, I'm not too bad. But we're going to the fireworks tomorrow.
You've got to preserve your energy. Tell you what, having a car with heated seats.
It's very nice.
Very nice.
I'd just like a heated steering wheel now.
Still got our drinks from yesterday, by the way. And you've been really enjoying this, haven't you?
Yeah.
Typical. Bless you.
Thank you. Yeah, go on then.
Clear your airways. These are like our best tracksuits that we own. They're from, is it Faded Clothing? It's half zip. It's so lovely. Then obviously I've got the grey one that you got me for Christmas.
Yes. Which I've also got.
Yeah, I was about to say I'm not wearing his. We actually have one each.
Another one I've on.
Yeah, you got a black one. He's got the full black of this. The black one is nice looking, but it's not the set as quite the same material, is it? It's more borgy than it is soft.
Up.
In control.
No, mate, I'm getting closer.
We've just filmed a very, very exciting video.
Yeah.
That you will see in possibly a couple weeks. So it's not going to go up straight away. But yeah, Ashley had his ginger shot.
Yeah. Home Journey Part 1.
Yeah.
That has been recorded.
Which, for anyone who is a first-time buyer or...
Even if you're not a first-time buyer, actually, it's probably...
knowledgeable for anyone. Been exciting to film, and it's nice to update you guys on our journey so far. Oh. So we're on the way to the fireworks. You'll have to excuse the lighting because obviously it is dark. Oh, that's a little bit better, but the downward lighting isn't exactly great. So we will catch you when we get to the fireworks.
Yeah. Exciting.
Exciting.
Well,
so,
we are on the hunt. Right, we're looking forward to the fireworks, aren't we? But we're on the hunt for something, aren't we?
one specific thing.
Yeah.
And I think we'll be devastated if it's not there.
Do you want me to? Shall I explain?
Yeah.
So, as you previously know, that we mentioned in previous video, whenever I get something, Lil don't, and she always likes it. Well,
yeah, like I always like Ashley's thing that he got in the same item sometimes, just more.
Last year, we found a hot chocolate stand.
Oh my
and
god.
I had a white chocolate, hot chocolate, and I think I had salted caramel sauce.
Yeah.
Really, really nice.
And they, like, put into context, they had like toasted marshmallows on, and they were like the giant marshmallows on a stick, and they like blowtorched it. Yeah.
We hope we can find it again.
I had, because I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go classic. I had a normal milk chocolate. Don't get me wrong, it was to die for, best hot chocolate I've ever had. But because we're very much white chocolate over milk chocolate,
You wish you'd have had what I had.
Basically. It was so nice. So we're gonna hopefully, fingers crossed, that hot chocolate stands there again.
Yeah, we're gonna have some food as well.
Yeah.
Which, Food again.
Yeah, food again. I promise we don't just eat all the time. Considering we're not massive foodies at all, we just seem to film every time we do eat.
It seems to be quite a lot at the moment for whatever reason.
Yeah.
Mukbang Central again.
Yeah. I don't know how much we'll film. We'll try film, obviously you'll see the fireworks, and we'll try film snippets. To be fair, there's a fairground there, so the music might be really loud, but I don't think the lighting necessarily will be bad because it'll be quite lit up in the actual place. But we'll try film as much as we can because we've been really excited for this.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
So we'll catch you when we get there. So we've just arrived.
I'm hobbling.
He's
I'm
hobbling
slowly.
So yeah, but we'll try and get a few snippets while we're there. But oh, it's good lighting. Finally. Bless you, hobbling. Bless him, he's struggling, aren't you?
It's fine.
He's making the best out of it. But
We can see the bonfire, but we still haven't seen the chocolate stand yet. We haven't seen any stand, to be honest with you.
yeah, I can see all the food stalls down there. We've had our burger and that was lovely.
We think we've found the hot chocolate stand, but Lily won't let me wait in it because the fireworks are going to start soon.
Yeah.
And the queue's pretty long, to be fair. So.
Yeah, it is long. Currently stood right under a floodlight just so you can see us because it's quite dark. You probably can't even hear us.
So,
we have
what we had, babe?
we have white hot chocolate with salty caramel, squirty cream and toasted marshmallows.
And we got lucky because, like last year, the couple behind us, they had the last 2 marshmallows, so we got lucky.
They're so good. So we've just got back into the car. Ashley's sorting his shoes out. It's currently, I don't suppose you know what the time is.
Ain't got a clue.
Oh, bless you. So his ankle's not in a good way, but...
Get off. Get off. Oh my god, I've just threw it half the way. Oh, you're joking.
Oh no.
Why would I do that? That's ridiculous.
We came prepared and I brought my Crocs so we could put all the coats in the back and then the shoes in the boot, and I left Ashley to deal with it.
Go out.
Well, it's freezing.
Sorry. Let's fly to my car.
Oh, it's gone. Put a red lip on just to feel a bit Christmassy.
Oh, it's above you.
Oh, I can see it.
Fucking go out. Got. Where did it go?
See it? There it is. We got it. Right, windows up.
I mean, I think it's in there, but what do I do with it? That was our vlog and our firework vlog.
Yeah, I was about to say our weekend vlog and Bonfire Night 2022. Now we have to drive in the treacherous rain because we've got soaked and waiting. Oh my god, if the queue of traffic is like long and no one will let you in there.
The stewards are, which is good.
Oh good.
So thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Leave a like, rating and subscribe if you are new.
Yeah.